Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video for you brought to you by Cashback. So this is a website where you can get some cash back from shopping online at the stores you're going to be buying from anyways. Amazon, Costco, Dollar Tree, all of those are on this website. And I know a lot of you have been asking me for more online deals, how you can save right from your house, whether you don't have time to go shopping or if you want to stay home from the pandemic, but you still want to get some great deals and savings. You can use Cashback, and this is a great way. Tons and tons of online retailers, over 4,400 stores that you can go ahead and shop from and earn cash back. So on my site, of course, I want to bring you guys the best deals, savings, any way that you guys can save money. Then, of course, you can use that money towards whatever else you want. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I do post new deals or videos on how you can save money, you guys will be notified and you'll be able to take advantage of them as well. So like I said, this video is sponsored by Cashback. Thank you so much. But of course, my opinions are my own. So I do want to go through the entire process from how you're going to get signed up. The link is right below in the description box. So click that link. It'll bring you right to this page. We are going to go over all of the details, the ins and outs, and how exactly you can use this website so you too can get some amazing savings right from your house. So when you click that link in the description box, this is what it is going to pull up. This is the front page of the website. So what you're going to do to create an account, you're going to put in your email here. So I'm going to put in breecouponqueen@gmail.com. Then you're going to choose a password, of course, something that you're going to remember. Then how did you hear about us? Let's choose blog. And you're going to click join free. So it's completely free to join, as you see right there. So we're going to click and get signed up on Cashback. So now this is what comes up. There is going to be an authentication email sent to that email address that you used to sign up for Cashback. So make sure, of course, you're using an email that you have access to and you have the password for. That way you can authenticate your account and finalize the setup. So once you've authenticated your account, you want to make sure that you complete your profile. So click that, add in a little bit of information, your address, your date of birth, your name, things like that to go ahead and get that to 100%. Now the fun part, let's go shopping. Up here, it shows a red hot deal. Home Depot is offering 8% cash back, which is awesome. I go to Home Depot all the time for fixing up the house and paint and knickknacks, you name it. I'm usually always at Home Depot. So that is a great option right there. If you're needing anything for the house, you can click Home Depot. You would click Get Cash Back right here. That'll bring you right over to the Home Depot website. But for this, let's grab some clothes. So there's tons of different websites and stores that are included through Cashback, like I was mentioning. Costco is one of them, which is awesome. We have a Costco membership ourselves because they have some amazing, amazing savings at Costco. You are buying in bulk, but as couponers, we always like to have some backup, so no problem there. You can also shop at Sephora, Amazon, Ray's, Dollar Tree, you name it. There's 4,400 stores that you can choose from. So if you have a particular store in mind, you can search the store name here. If not, you can click by category. If you want fashion, health and beauty, you can go here as well. Let's do body and hair. See what we can pull up there. And look at that. The first one is Walgreens. And you know we coupon and shop at Walgreens every single week on this channel. This is 6% cash back on top of the points and rewards you're going to get back from Walgreens. So if you want to shop online and you're going to do an online haul for some of the deals that I share on my channel, you can go through Cashback instead. What you would do is click on this here. It'll bring you over to the actual website Walgreens. Then you can go shopping just like normal through the website. You're going to get your cash back and you're going to get your rewards back from Walgreens. So they're going to be stacking, giving you the most savings. So if you're wanting contact lenses, you would click Get Cashback here. If you're just looking for normal personal care items and things, you're going to click this. So they are offering 4% cashback buying everyday items that we coupon for on this channel anyway. Go ahead and click Get Cashback. Then it's going to show you that they are going to transfer you right to the Walgreens site. And bam, we are on the Walgreens.com website. But again, we did this through the Top Cashback website. So now Top Cashback sees that we're on Walgreens. When we purchase, I'm already logged in. So when we make our purchase, we are going to get that cash back. We're going to get the rewards back from Walgreens. And when you sign up on Top Cashback, you're going to get a welcome bonus as well. So I highly recommend signing up. It's completely free. Link again is in the description box so you can do this and follow along with me. Another one that I wanted to look at is Kohl's. They usually have quite a few great deals. They have some online coupons and Kohl's Cash, things like that that we can take advantage of as well. So let's look for Kohl's and see if it's part of Top Cashback. Okay, so look, Kohl's is on here as well, and Ray's popped up as a similar store that you might want to check out. So let's check out Kohl's and see what they have. You're going to click Get Cashback Now, and again, it's going to transfer you to the Kohl's website. Okay, so Kohl's is offering 15% off when you sign up for Kohl's email sale alerts, showing here at the bottom. 20% off using promo code FAMILYSAVE, and you're going to get $10 of Kohl's Cash for every $50 you spend. If you're wanting to pick up in store, that is completely free. And if you're wanting them to ship it to your home, that is free with a $75 purchase. So we are on the regular Kohl's website. So you can shop by department just like usual. I did put a couple things in my cart already that I just found just looking around on some clearance items, and I need some more dresses. I don't have that many, and the ones I have, I've grown out of a little bit. They're getting a little too short, so I wanted to put in some dresses in my cart. I have some clearance items as well, so you could fill your entire cart literally with clearance items for the most bang for your buck. So I have 2 shirts in here. The cutest pair of shorts that I've ever seen. Look how cute. See if I can click on that and show you guys. Look how cute these shorts are. Like, they're kind of summer-y, and we're getting into the fall, obviously, but love to have some good shorts, and I need some more of them because I'm growing out of those as well, unfortunately. So I added these to my cart as well. So let's go see how we would check out and the savings that we can get. Okay, so as it stands, we have $81.59 subtotal worth of products in our cart. And remember, when you spend $75, you're going to get the shipping for free. But we have a promo code, FAMILYSAVE. Apply that code. That takes off 20%, $16.32 completely taken off, which is amazing. Now that's going to bring us all the way down to $78.71 with taxes. But you have to be at $75 after any discount codes to get the free shipping. So we now need to go spend another $9.73 so we can qualify for free shipping, and that'll be more savings. And for every $50 we spend, we're going to get back $10 in Kohl's Cash. So as much as you want to spend, of course, it's totally up to you. You will be getting the 4% cash back on whatever you wind up spending in total at Kohl's on Kohls.com, which is awesome. Okay, so I added a couple more things from the clearance section to my order. That way we can get free shipping. So another thing you can get, $5 Kohl's Cash when you pick up this order. So let's go ahead and click check out. You're going to put in all your information here. You're going to be paying $81.36 out of pocket. Now, that is already saving us $18, which is awesome. And I've shopped at Kohl's before. I personally think they have some pretty nice quality stuff. When I wash it and wash it and wash it, it doesn't seem to disintegrate, which is awesome. So $81.36, including taxes. Then we are going to be getting back $10 Kohl's cash for spending at least $50, $5 Kohl's cash for picking up those 2 items. We're going to be getting back 4% from shopping through Top Cashback, which will be about another $3.06. So for $94.84 worth of clothing and accessories, my net cost is going to be around $63, including taxes. If you take out taxes, you're around $59. I think that is definitely an amazing deal. You're getting some great clothes, especially for back to school. It's getting shipped right to your door, and you got these savings right online using the Top Cashback website. So back to the homepage, another thing I want to touch on, most important, how you actually get the cash transferred for you. So what you would do is click on payout right here. That is going to take you to where you can actually get this cash sent over either in some gift cards or you can get it in PayPal, which is awesome. So you can get some gift cards or prepaid cards. Mine, obviously, it shows that I don't have anything eligible for any cash back yet, but you can get an Amazon gift card, which is amazing. Christmas is right around the corner. So if you're shopping, getting a ton of Christmas gifts, you're getting cash back, you can get some Amazon gift cards and buy more Christmas gifts. So it's a win-win. You can also scroll all the way to the bottom and do direct payment. You can either do an ACH payment or link up your PayPal and then you can get it transferred over right to your PayPal. So there's no way to set it up yet. Once you go ahead and purchase some items online, you're going to get the % cash back. Then you'll be able to get this linked up if you want to do PayPal. One of the main bonuses of this website is there's no minimum. A lot of other websites for cashback and some different rebate apps, there's a minimum of $20, or they're only going to send you a check 4 times a year and you have to reach a certain minimum before that check gets cut. Things like that. With Top Cashback, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get enough cash back for them to send it to you. You can automatically get it taken out. Once you get that cash back from whatever purchase you've made and it hits your account, you can cash it out. If you want to do PayPal, which I typically do, that way I can use that cash for whatever I want. Maybe I need it for gas money. Maybe I need it for groceries that week if things are a little tight. You name it. So that is why this website is so amazing, because there's no minimum. You don't have to sit there and wait around. I know a lot of you mentioned a couple other rebate apps and websites, and you're asking for deals that you can do so you can hit those minimums. That is such a pain in the butt. So this one, you don't have to worry about that. You can do customer service if you have any questions or anything. Of course, they can always answer those for you. And if you want to look at your payout history, tons of things on here to show you exactly how much you're getting back, how much you've been spending, things like that, to also help you as far as your budgeting. Because if you click on earnings, this tab here, it'll show you pending, right? If I have an order that I've placed, it takes a minute for you to get the cash back. The order has to be processed and filled by the store that you're purchasing from for you to get the cash back. Because sometimes maybe you order something and they don't have it in stock and they cancel it. Well, then obviously you're not going to get the cash back on that portion. So that is why it would be first listed under pending. Then once that order is completed and shipped out to you, it'll go under confirmed and payable. Then you can claim it, of course, or if anything got declined, it'll also tell you that right here. If you're missing cash back, you could click right here. If you just want to contact them and submit a ticket for whatever reason, click here. And for frequently asked questions, maybe there'll be an answer that you need for whatever question you have, you can click right here. So I highly recommend getting this downloaded completely free. Doesn't require anything, no minimum payments, nothing like that. And with Christmas and the holidays right around the corner, this is definitely amazing that you guys can do right from home. Start knocking out some of that Christmas shopping. That way you're not waiting till the last minute, getting stressed out, and you can pay it little by little. Maybe you buy one gift today, maybe you buy another gift next week or next paycheck, and kind of spread it out. Then by the time Christmas comes around, you'll have a lot of cash back through this website, and then maybe you can buy yourself something nice for Christmas as well. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Maybe they're not into couponing, but maybe they like to shop from home and they too would like to get some cash back for the money that they're spending anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.